Hello, and welcome to this video on Dynal AI, an outstanding AI agent designed to create LinkedIn posts tailored to your brand DNA and personal preferences. It can automate your publishing workflow and help you save a significant amount of time, even if you have no experience with social media. First of all, connect your LinkedIn account by opening your account and then selecting Connect LinkedIn. Click Connect, grant the required permissions, and confirm the connection. Once completed, head to Brand DNA on the left to customize how the AI agent should behave when generating content. Here, connect your profile to align the AI with your writing style, audience, tone of voice, branding, and overall identity, whether personal or company-related. You can also add reference links, describe your role and focus, choose the output language, define your brand voice, identify your target audience, and customize several other preferences. You can also ask the AI to generate a post by selecting New Post on the left. At the top, you get a field where you can describe the content to create. For example, let's generate a LinkedIn post promoting our latest YouTube video on SketchUp. Under Add Source, you can upload documents, images, or select Add Website to include a link, such as the YouTube video link. Your prompt and source material can remain very simple and unoptimized. The AI agent will handle the refinement automatically while taking your brand DNA settings into account to create a complete post. Dynal AI works as an interactive AI agent, generating content in real time and showing each single step of the process. As you can see from the image and the LinkedIn post, hashtags, and formatting, the result follows exactly what we asked by also matching our brand identity and communication style. If you are busy, Dynal AI can also automate the publishing of your posts on a weekly or monthly basis, helping you maintain long-term consistency across your LinkedIn content and brand communication. To schedule content, open Plans on the left and click Create New Plan at the bottom. For example, we can create a content plan sharing short tips on effective prompting, such as 10 posts over 1 month. Select the LinkedIn account to use, define the start and end dates, choose the goal of the campaign, set the time zone, the tone of voice, the number of posts, and decide whether to include images or not. You can also add additional notes to guide the AI. Once everything is ready, click Create Plan. This allows you to generate an entire month of LinkedIn content in just a short amount of time. The result is a complete list of posts, each one including both text and images, as you can see by opening them individually. Here you can review the content, upload different images, and then click Confirm to approve the single post. This is automatically scheduled, as you can see from Calendar on the left. Any AI-generated post can still be refined afterward, including its style, tone, and language, whether it belongs to a publishing plan or a standalone post. You can also open Magic Edit to edit the image with the help of AI. When a post is ready, click Publish in the top right corner to review the final version, with a complete preview to see exactly how the post will appear on LinkedIn. At this point, you can either schedule the publication or publish it immediately using Publish Now. Dynal AI works as a complete personal and brand co-pilot for LinkedIn, helping you create consistent and engaging content while simplifying your entire publishing workflow. Check the link in the video description to try Dynal AI and start building your LinkedIn system today.